Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to enable cloud saves in Epic Games Launcher. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC or laptop. Once your internet browser is open, you're going to head on over to search and then open your Epic Games Launcher. Once your Epic Games Launcher has launched, make sure you're logged in. Now tap on your profile photo on the upper right or your profile. This time, go to Settings. Once you are in Settings, scroll down and then check on Enable Cloud Saves. And that's it, easy as 1, 2, 3. Now you can close Settings this time. And now your cloud saves are all available. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.